Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect with you today across time and space. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, worried, fearful, angry, depressed, lonely, feeling some insecurity, or perhaps even self-love, trust, whatsoever you feel, reminding you that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can move some of the energy inside into more light, awareness, having faith in the unfolding of life, that life is taking care of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a posture where you can be aware. Extending your spine. You can lie down if you like, or sit up straight, dropping the shoulders away from your ears. You can gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, witnessing and welcoming how you feel in this moment, embracing whatsoever is inside. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing. Breathing in strength. Exhale, feeling yourself strong. Breathing in grounded energy. Exhale, feeling yourself grounded. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, feeling yourself compassionate. Breathing in joyfulness. And exhale, feeling yourself more joyful. Coming back into a sense of play. Not concentrating too hard, just aware. Like a relaxed awareness. Aware of your posture. Aware of how you sat, relaxing your face with a smile, smiling at any pain inside, saying goodbye to negativity as you breathe in the love. Exhale, feeling love for yourself. breath in. Deep breath out. Breathing in awareness. Exhale, feeling aware. Inhaling. Exhale. Breathing in trust. And exhale, feeling trusting of life, trusting of yourself, trusting of people. Remembering that trust is your superpower. Looking inwards. Welcoming yourself as you are. Coming back into faith in the unfolding of life. Coming back into love for yourself. Letting go of the inner critic. Don't be your hardest critic. Be your biggest fan. The color for today is yellow. The number is 7. And the animal is a white tiger. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Sending you good vibes today. Remember to navigate your life without being so critical of yourself, without being so critical of other people. Remembering that we have flaws, and that's okay. That's what makes us human. That's what makes us beautiful. Embracing your flaws is something beautiful. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.